Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the throttle cable in your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire in boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. Use a 10mm wrench to unthread the adjustment bolt safety cap. Unthread the wing nut and remove the adjustment bolt. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread all of the screws, securing the handle. Separate the two halves of the handle. Lift out the throttle lever and rotate to detach it from the throttle cable. Detach the cable from the handle. Unthread the screws to release the air filter cover. Lift off the throttle control cover, as well as the locking cap. Use needle nose pliers to rotate the throttle plate clockwise to release the tension and detach the throttle cable from the swivel and the bracket. Pull the old cable out of the conduit from the handle end. You're now ready to install the new throttle cable. Starting at the handle end, feed the smaller end of the cable through the conduit. This may require some effort. Now align the larger end of the throttle cable in the channel on the handle. Attach the throttle lever to the cable, then slide the lever into place on the mounting pin. Confirm that all of the components are in place, then join the two halves of the handle together around the blower hose. Replace all of the screws to secure. Insert the adjustment bolt, then tighten the wing nut. Thread on the safety cap. Insert the smaller end of the cable through the hole in the bracket. Then align the cable in the swivel on the plate. If the cable tension needs to be adjusted, loosen the locking nut, then rotate the tensioner to increase or decrease the tension. The throttle plate should be in contact with the adjustment screw. With the tension set, tighten the locking nut. Secure the cable with the locking cap and replace the throttle control cover. Replace the air filter cover and thread the screws to secure. With the repair completed, reattach the wire in boot to the spark plug, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.